Today we're going to show you how to master the perfect push-up with one simple tip. One single adjustment could make all the difference in your push-up game. We'll break down common mistakes, help you prevent injuries, and uncover interesting facts about this exercise. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting, this video is packed with valuable information. Get ready to unleash your inner beast. Let's get started. Stop arching your back. One of the biggest mistakes in push-ups is arching your back. This puts stress on your spine and prevents core engagement. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Imagine your body as a solid steel plank, no bending or breaking. Engage your core. This is key. Your core is your powerhouse, and it plays a crucial role in a perfect push-up. Before you start, engage your core. Imagine someone is about to punch you and brace yourself. This stabilizes your body, maintains form, and prevents lower back strain. Remember, a strong core equals a strong push-up. Rushing through reps. I get it. You want to rush through your workout and get it over and done with. But going for quantity over quality will not provide you with the results that you are looking for. Rushing through reps often means sacrificing form. And when your form is off, you're not only cheating yourself out of gains, but also increasing the risk of injury. When you rush, it's easy to lose control of your movements, leading to improper joint alignment and muscle engagement. This not only puts stress on the wrong muscles, but can also cause strains, especially in the shoulders, elbows, or lower back. Warm up properly. Warming up properly is essential to avoid injuries and enhance performance. Your muscles and joints need to be prepared to perform at their best. Start with dynamic stretches like arm circles, shoulder rotations, and torso twists. Incorporate light cardio such as jumping jacks or high knees to get your blood flowing and ready for push-ups. Listen to your body. Your body is a finely tuned machine, and it will tell you when something isn't right. Pay attention to how you feel during your workout. If you experience sharp pain, stop and reassess your form. It's better to take a break or modify the exercise than to risk injury. Consistency is key, and listening to your body helps you stay on track. Use proper form. Proper form maximizes results and minimizes injury risk. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width, fingers forward, elbows closed, forming a 45-degree angle. Lower until chest grazes the floor, body straight. Push up explosively, engaging chest, triceps, shoulders, quality over quantity, perfect each rep. Push-ups, the ultimate full-body workout. Don't underestimate the power of the push-up. It's a full-body movement engaging multiple muscle groups. To maintain that straight line, you're working your core, glutes, and legs. This makes the push-up efficient for building strength and endurance. Push-up variations for every muscle. Mastered the standard push-up? The possibilities are endless. Incorporate variations to target specific muscles and keep workouts challenging. Focus on your chest with wide push-ups. Target your triceps with narrow push-ups. Decline push-ups hit your upper chest and shoulders. Boost your heart health with push-ups. Did you know push-ups benefit your muscles and heart? This exercise can improve cardiovascular health. Harvard found men doing 40 push-ups had lower cardiovascular disease risk than those doing fewer than 10. Strength training greatly impacts overall health. Strength and endurance in one exercise. Push-ups are a fantastic exercise for building both strength and endurance. Consistently incorporating push-ups into your routine increases your ability to perform more reps with proper form. This enhanced endurance translates to improved performance in other areas of life, whether it's carrying groceries, playing sports, or keeping up with daily demands. Strong bones with every push-up. As we age, maintaining strong and healthy bones becomes increasingly important. Push-ups, being a weight-bearing exercise, can play a significant role in improving bone density. When you perform a push-up, you're putting stress on your bones, which stimulates them to become stronger. This is crucial for reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis as you get older. Master the push-up, master your fitness. Mastering the push-up is about consistency, proper form, and challenging yourself. Keep pushing your limits and exploring variations. Incorporate what you've learned and watch your fitness soar. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to Bodyweight Training Tribe for more fitness tips and workouts. See you in the next video.